it's me Ishika, and this is day 2 in Ooty, and today we are here at Doddabetta Peak. Doddabetta Peak is the highest mountain in the Nilgiri Hills at 2,637 meters, located just 9 kilometers from Ooty on the Ooty-Kotagiri road. It offers spectacular panoramic views of the surrounding valleys and the Western Ghats. It opens daily from roughly 8:30 am to 6:30 pm. I suggest that you go in the morning to avoid the crowd there. The summit is easily accessible by road and features a popular telescope house. From this specific point, you can see the Karnataka border. From here, you can view Ooty town. You can see the beauty of Keti valleys from here. Overall, I highly recommend visiting Doddabetta Peak for such scenic views. After that, we headed towards Tea Garden. There are so many curves here, and the weather here is just amazing. On this road, you will feel like stopping your car every 5 minutes. Just look at how scenic this route is. We just spotted a massive Indian bison right next to the road. These guys look like giant cows, but they are incredibly huge and powerful. We kept our distance because you definitely don't want to mess with one of these. This was also my first time spotting a bison. So guys, now we are here at Tea Garden. Ooty's emerald green tea gardens are a major highlight of the Nilgiris. Located just 3 to 6 kilometers from Ooty town, along the Doddabetta and Ooty-Kannur routes, these estates offer breathtaking valley views, fresh air, and a glimpse into how world-famous Nilgiri tea is produced. After that, we went to a place that sold tea powder and multiple types of oils.
बढ़िया रहेगा, बीपी, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, डायबिटीज, वेट लॉस, एंटी एजिंग सबके लिए बढ़िया दवाई है ग्रीन टी। हम लोग इसमें से अलग से अमीला में डालते हैं, आपको चाहे तो तुलसी, मिंट कोई भी ऐड करके पी सकते हैं ग्रीन टी में। तो ग्रीन टी जैसे ग्रीन टी हम लोग का एक्सपीरियंस है, कितना साल भी आके यूज़ कर सकते हैं, खराब नहीं होगा। 750 का आधा किलो पड़ेगा। नेक्स्ट वो खत्म करके ले लीजिए, ये वाला मसाला जी।
So basically, after purchasing whatever we wanted, we will explain how tea is made. After that, we headed downstairs where chocolate was being made. So actually there's a chocolate shop here where there is multiple types of chocolates over here and you can buy anything you want.
Chocolate, cashew, almond, walnut, dry fruits items.
अच्छा
100 gram for 180. This box is 180 for 250 gram. This is assorted, ma'am. Mixing chocolate 230 for 250 gram. Half kg for 440. 250 gram.
ये 250 ग्राम का कितने का है?
230, ma'am.
230।
Yes, ma'am.
बट अच्छा है ना सब में सब?
Most fast moving, ma'am. This one.
इसमें
Variety chocolate there, na?
इसमें डार्क चॉकलेट भी है, मिल्क चॉकलेट
Dark
भी है।
chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate. 3 variety chocolate, 10 flavors. There, ma'am.
और ये कितने का? ये
Same,
हाफ
ma'am, half
केजी
kg.
480
Yes, 440.
440 ओके।
So basically now is the time where part 1 of day 2 comes to an end. So this was it for part 1 and part 2 is also coming very soon. For that you need to subscribe, like, share and comment on this video, and bye. Thanks for watching.